Welcome to the East Idaho Weather Impact Planning Briefing for Tuesday, February 11th. We'll take a look at the summary for the expected conditions for the remainder of this week. We are expecting a system to move through, bringing some snow showers late today through early Wednesday from Island Park to the Southern Highlands with generally light accumulations. There are a few pockets of freezing fog possible each night, but we are not expecting significant impact from these. And a fast-moving system is expected to bring light snow to most areas Thursday night through Friday, which will be the precursor for a stronger system expected this weekend. Now we'll take a look at the satellite imagery across the region. You can see that we do have a ridge of high pressure parked just off the coast with northwest flow, bringing some energy across Canada and Washington State across the Panhandle toward East Idaho. And this will be the system that will bring our precipitation for tonight into early Wednesday. We'll look at the impact overview. Again, with that system coming through late tonight, we are expecting very light snow showers, but minimal to no impact across the region. And that next system that pushes through for Friday could arrive late in the day for portions of the Eastern Highlands and parts of the Central Mountains, but we're really not expecting to see much impact from that until during the day on Friday, where most of the higher elevations will see some minimal impact due to snow accumulations, and the lower elevations, including the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, expecting to see minimal impact due to light snow or a mix with rain. And again, looking into Saturday, we are expecting to see another shot of snow impacting the higher elevations across the region. Here's a look at those snow totals with this first system driving through tonight into Wednesday. And you can see we are expecting generally an inch or two across the Island Park region, the Big Hole Mountains, including Pine Creek Pass, across the Bear River Range, but generally accumulations reaching down to the lower elevations and much of the travel corridor areas, limited to just a dusting to less than an inch, and generally impacting regions east of Interstate 15, although there is a small chance that we could see some light accumulations across the southern Sawtooth south of Interstate 84. We'll take a look at the temperatures expected across the region today, and you can see some of that warmer temperatures moving into the eastern Magic Valley, lower Snake Plain, and southern elevations of the Southern Highlands for today and also tomorrow as well, with that ridge of high pressure parked off the coast still having a little bit of influence across the region. And you can see that the colder air for today and again tomorrow is generally parked across the northeast. Temperatures on Friday warm up ahead of that front that moves through, so we are expecting these temperatures to creep up just a degree or two before the front moves through with that system coming through for Friday. Winds also an impact expected for that Friday system. Once that front moves through, we can expect to see an increase in winds, particularly through the eastern Magic Valley and lower Snake River Plain, with some gusts around 35 miles per hour. You can see the higher elevations with that northwest flow across the Central Mountains and Southern Highlands also experiencing some gusty winds as well. We'll have more details on that system coming through for the weekend in the next couple of days, but we'll revisit the summary for the next through the remainder of the week. We are expecting some snow showers late today, generally through early Wednesday, with light accumulations Island Park through the Southern Highlands. Again, some pockets of freezing fog possible each night, but not expecting significant impact for those. And then the system bringing light snow most areas Thursday night through Friday, along with some winds, and then the stronger system arriving this weekend. That'll do it for the briefing for today. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact us using the means you see on the screen. Thank you for joining us.